Are we on? We are running. Yeah. Okay. What is up, Doodles and Doodle-rinos and Dudettes and Nickelodeon people? Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute eat challenge. Today, what are these? Red Rooster nuggets. 30 of them. Cheesy nuggets. I swear to God, I get nervous doing these videos now. Look at that. Oh no. Anyway, what was that?
Who's that?
That must be the ghost. We've got a ghost here. Ghost George, isn't it? Georgie the ghost. Anyway, let's start this. Alright, here we go. We'll just make sure that we have... Did you take some nuggets out? Did you? Look at that. Oh my God. In 5 minutes. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Got me drink. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. I can smell that.
What? Well, these. Oh, well, this is delicious more than that.
I mean, George getting sore already.
Oh my God.
Mm.
God, listen to you all chewing.
Whatever.
Look at how much he's got. Look at that. Get a look at that. Now, dig into that bag.
Look how much of that fatty got. He has that rooster I like, and look at that chicken.
There's one done.
Oh, really? Huh. Yeah.
Oh, come on. That's not there, no. That's got 15 in there.
Oh, what? Really?
Hmm. Hey.
That's not a lot in there. Oh my God.
Hmm. I think there's plain ones in there too.
Plain?
Man, these are good. I don't know why people don't go nuts over Red Rooster more.
They're disgusting.
Well, they're better than like Hungry Jackson, right?
I have seen Hungry Jacks and McDonald's are better.
All takeaways crap.
Well, Cozy.
Subway, is it?
Yes, it is. It's been proven their rolls are full of sugar.
What?
You got sugar? That doesn't all bread?
No, but they're saying that the roll, I don't know, something about the rolls, they're meant to be healthy and all that, and they're not.
Well,
Sugary. Bad, bad, bad.
No, I'm using a sauce.
because it's got the cheese on it.
Oh, can I pass me sauce while I do? No? Okay. Not sure.
Who took
What then?
most of the...
No, I didn't.
Rory, you just have 5 each.
I only left me 3.
You have...
You
Yeah.
dirty?
You can have 4 and a
Oh my
half.
god.
3.5.
No.
There's 3, and then this is the 4th, but it's a half.
How much you got left?
Well, if that's 10, that is not 10.
Count them.
12, I've got 20. Yeah, well, we've got 12 left.
Hi, Dad, can I have one of
I
those
was about to
sauces?
say 2012. Yeah, have one.
Look. Oh, I wish I had ranch.
You should have asked for it.
No,
Rory, they're Rory's.
they're mine now because you ate a lot,
Or whatever.
fatty.
So I'm sick of this abuse.
Oh my god.
Fine, just have this.
Oh,
Get some of Stephen's chips.
Oh,
Oh, God, Stephen, you're an animal.
let me Oh, this is
Are your hands hairy? Are your palms hairy?
That's
Have you got hairy palms?
No. He has
Come on.
Oh my
One-
god, that's 20. That's 20 done in what, 4 minutes?
1 minute left.
Yeah, one more, come on! You can do this! You can do this!
Can't do it. I mean, yeah, you can. Yeah.
Right. Oh, what's that, 23?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh,
I love these guys.
I start to get sickly.
They're disgusting anyway.
Oh, they
Done.
Time's up.
shit out of me.
Wait,
Yeah.
already?
So 23 in 5 minutes. Oh well.
20.
It's a success, but it's a fail.
You,
I did try to set out for 30.
So that's actually 8.
This dude
There's
was
8
left.
there.
No.
This-
So that's
No, see, if there's 8 left in there, I pulled 3 out of there. So there was 11 in that one. I'm telling you, the last one there was bloody. It looked like there would have been 15 in there. Anyway,
There's
till
7.
next time. Maybe another eating contest or something. Peace.
Peace!